Are you curious about the latest upgrades of the EE architecture modeling tool PREEvision? Today we are unfolding dimensions and iron out inconsistencies in mere seconds. Hi, my name is Julian and I'm a product management engineer for PREEvision. In this video, I'd like to show you the highlights of PREEvision versions 10.18 and 10.19. With our new software composition type structure diagram, you get the complete overview over your software components and compositions, even if they are deeply buried in a composition structure. We can open the new diagram on any software composition type. We directly see the structure and hierarchy of the software composition. By clicking on the plus icon next to the composition, we see what's inside. We can expand and collapse the hierarchies using the mouse or the keyboard. All components are automatically positioned, so no manual rework is necessary. Additionally, by opening this diagram, the model remains unchanged. No locks or checkouts are required, making this diagram sleek and easy to use. And the best part, it's ultra fast. With this diagram, even huge compositions with over 1,000 leaf component types can be examined and unfolded in less than a second. Do you find it challenging to model software components in AUTOSAR Classic, where each artifact must comply with the AUTOSAR standard? No worries. Our export framework provides help in automatically generating a range of artifacts for you. Let's look at an example software architecture with a sender and receiver composition type. Inside the sending composition, we have an atomic component sending data via a delegation port to the receiving component using the same port interface. To be AUTOSAR compliant, we need multiple delegation ports and assemblies connecting the ports. With PREEvision 10.19, you don't need to model these objects by hand. When using the same interface, ports on atomic level are enough. Our architecture looks much tidier. When exporting the software component description, you can now set this flag, delegate ports and create connections. This triggers the export framework to create delegation ports and assembly connections automatically for you. With this enhancement, you can set up your software architecture without being an AUTOSAR Classic expert. Not only does it save you lots of manual modeling effort, but it also keeps your model neat and lightweight. Have you ever wondered if there is a way to quickly correct incomplete or inconsistent modelings that have been identified by consistency checks? PREEvision 10.19 lets you fix your model data right then and there. Let's assume we want to use this empty product line for test data management. In the consistency check results view, we can see that we obviously have 5 inconsistencies in the product line. That's what we quickly want to correct without spending much time digging deep into the model. The wrench icon now indicates that there's a quick fix available to address this inconsistency. By clicking on the first one, a product goals artifact is created, eliminating this finding. We can also carry out quick fixes as a mass operation by executing all available quick fixes on the results package. Now we see that our product line contains all the necessary artifacts to be used in test data management. A recalculation of the list confirms that all inconsistencies have been ironed out. And the best part? You not only benefit from quick fixes we provide out of the box, you are also able to define your own ones based on your individual needs. Fixing your model is now easier and faster than ever. Our new releases include many more features. We now support AUTOSAR 24.11 for Classic and Adaptive, improved sequence charts, as well as built-in optimizations for asset creation and the regIF import. So don't hesitate and experience PREEvision 10.19. Use the link in the description below to find out more. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Still here? Great. Subscribe to the Vector Tech tutorial channel and activate the bell to never miss updates on our new PREEvision releases. As you already know, I won't go away until you click.